This is Matt Ricketts, President and Chief Experience Officer of Better Life Maids. At Better Life Maids, we are committed to helping people live better lives. That is our whole purpose for existing. As part of that commitment, we are investing in clean, renewable energy that will power our offices and our fleet for years to come. Over the next several years, we hope to replace our entire fleet with EVs that run off the solar we produce every day. We want to thank our friends at Strive Electric for helping make this project possible from start to finish, from the install to the final switch over to Ameren. They were great. And they also helped us with our EV install. So again, thanks to our friends at Strive, and thanks to all of our great customers for helping make it all possible.